México.
This is an emergency action notification. All broadcast stations and cable systems shall transmit this emergency action notification message. This station has interrupted its regular programming at the request of the White House to participate in the emergency alert system. During this emergency, most stations will stay on the air to provide news and information for your local area. Boris Anderson will speak on the air shortly.
The following message is transmitted at the request of the United States government, the United States Office of Civil Defense, and in conjunction with the North American Aerospace Defense Command. This is not a test. Repeating, this is not a test. A national emergency has been declared across the continental United States. About 10 minutes ago, the Soviet Union came back stronger than ever and is attacking the United States. As a matter of fact, 3 following countries such as China, North Korea, and Nazi Germany have allied with the Soviets. Multiple Soviet, Chinese, and North Korean soldiers have begun invading the west coast of the United States, including Alaska. The Nazis is expected to invade the east coast within the next 10 minutes. I'm so sorry to say this, but there's as much nothing we can do to stop this. Our country has begun to collapse. About 100 million people died from this apocalypse, and the death toll is expected to rise even more. All residents in the United States are advised to gather the people close to you and await your final moments to this country before the enemy's annexes everything. If you would like to, I can commit suicide if you are really stressed and scared about this. The United States is expected to die off within the next month. We will play our national anthem for the final time. Goodbye forever.
Esta fue Universidad Católica de Chile, Corporación de Televisión. Buenas noches y que sueñen con los angelitos.